Let's see what we got in here. Forgot how to do it. Hey you guys, my name is Gabe Cruz. We're here today for a very special video. And I got this inspiration because I was watching that video of Nigel doing the backflip. We'll insert a clip right here. And then the way he did it was he wrapped a bike tube around the trucks, around the board, and then locked his feet in, and that is how he did it. So I thought, remember when Carlos that one time was skating with his shoes duct taped to the board, and then he tried to do the 50-50 on the hubba and he slipped out and almost died?
Yes, of course that could happen.
I said, let's do that again. But with these guys. Let's see what we got in here. I think it would be easier if I had my bare hands, but I'm not trying to catch the coronavirus around all these guys. All right, so we got the tube. Take it like this. Forgot how to do it. All right, here you go. Okay, now. Oh, we're on to something, Dan. Yo, why are these the longest tubes ever? Okay, just gotta improvise. Come on! Nothing? No? No props? This is legit, dude.
Oh! Put me on! Shut me up! 3, 2.
So that's what we're gonna be doing today. It's so hard to breathe in this mask.
Let me try, Mo. Sorry.
Here, we got another one. I don't know how to do it.
I'm getting the Mogely powers right. Backboard or frontboard? All right, fellas. So this is how you guys do it. You ready? Oh no!
I'm gonna try something new.
Okay.
Already. So you gotta go wrapped around like this. But I'm gonna go on the bottom. And then I'm gonna go around like this. Then you bring it this way. Oh my God, I have an exposed finger. We got a code red. Oh no, dude, this looks more legit than the last one.
That's nice. Thanks.
I might want to get in on this game of skate, but if it's full park, I'm gonna say no for that one. Oh God, that's scary. I did all the tricks I need to do, so I'm out of this. What? All right, Glow, you ready? I'll only play glow. Mogely will dispatch us both in like 5 tricks. So we're just gonna play a nice easy
We're
game.
just gonna
right?
have some fun.
Just gonna
what
have
it's
some
about.
fun with
you know?
it. You know, I've been in my house for the last 2 months. You know, social distancing. So he's gonna take it easy. All right, let's go. Manny on the box. I didn't get skunked! I'm already out of tricks. Go easy. Let's go front 180 on the A-frame. That's it. Oh, you're trick.
All the way up, 50-50 grind off the ledge.
You guys gotta remember, I've been skating flat ground since March.
Rock to fakie that quarter pipe over there.
I'll take a K.
Big hubba, front 50.
Ah! All right, back me on the hip. Manual 180 up the manual.
Wow, K to K. Very nice. Aka front 3, 2. What?
I think about this, Dan. I gotta be strategic. Is it bad if I just do manuals the whole game? All right, I'm gonna do manual back 180 off the flat.
Oh no, man. I'm a front 50, back 180 on this small ledge right here. I missed it! Let's try a nose manual.
I have to send the 5 if my feet are locked in, right? I still made it. I was going way too slow. Did you see? I tried to stop myself. I have so much sweat in my eye. You know what? If it's a finisher, I'm going 180 out. Front 180 out. Air 5, because we're staying safe. But I gotta, do you mind if I get the half cab Manny? I wanna get it really bad.
I think I deserve the golden fork. If not, leave it in the comments. Golden fork. Glow's trying to eat with the golden fork.
Oh, I gotta get it. Ow! Hit my shin. move these, put the launch wrap, and then a few people push you as hard as we can. Backflip, dude. You know, honestly, maybe going this way. Yeah. Maybe, I don't know. It's still hard to say. You want to try it a few? Super high launch back threes, like an aerial one. You want to try that? No. You know, I will forever have scars there where I try to jump up that. If you think that Nigel should do the backflip on a skateboard here, definitely leave it in a comment below. Aussie Dan's shaking his head, or nodding his head. I think we should. There's some videos right there. Go and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below of what other videos you'd like to see us do. Now that we're here, we're staying safe, and we hope you guys are too. See you tomorrow.